my dear student from 8th grade, as usual, just wishing you very good things at home with your family. I hope that everything there is getting along very well. Okay, today we are going to discuss or see how we use adjective. Remember, this is the second class of this topic. Look, adjective of order, which is the order that adjective have to follow when describing something, a noun. All right? Es el orden que tienen los adjetivos para describir algo o alguien en inglés. The goal is at the end of this lesson, students will be able to, describe a noun by following the word order adjective pattern, siguiendo una estructura. All right? Then I just want to remind you that the syntax in English is adjective first and then we place the noun in English. So in Spanish, remember that is vice versa. Then before starting with that pattern, so here I just placed an example just to remind you the way we use them. All right, look, you are, right here is an excellent. Yeah, you are excellent students or an excellent, all right. You are excellent student. And excellent is telling us what kind of students you are. Larry has a friendly big dog, right? This is just telling more information about the dog Larry possessed. Sophia ate 2 delicious apples. Okay. Freddie bought an expensive car. So it's telling us what kind of car he got. Apartado is a beautiful small town. Okay, as you can see here, in some examples, I used 2 adjectives. For example, in this case, friendly and big. Yes, we can use more than one adjective to tell more information about now. In this case, yeah, beautiful and small. Okay? Then, why friendly first and big then? Here, beautiful first and small goes the second. Why? So, I will explain you this. There, in English, there are 2 kinds of adjectives. All right? Remember, they tell us more information about something or someone. There are 2 kinds, opinion and factual adjective. Opinion adjective are those that we use when we think about something. It's our opinion, is a judgment. ¿Sí? Es nuestra propia opinión acerca de algo o alguien. All right? And factual adjective give us information about the age, nos da información acerca de la edad de alguien o algo, old, young, new, yes, size. So factual adjective give us information about the size, small, big. Got here color, yes. Factual adjectives give us information about color, red, white, black, etc. Material, yeah, what kind of material is, example, the object made of. Nos da información acerca del material. Acrylic, plastic, wool, cotton, etc. Origin, yeah. Factual adjectives give us information about the origin, where the object or the person comes from, all right? Example, Colombian, American, French, Portuguese, Japanese, etc. Give us also information about the shape, la forma, triangle, round, thin, fat, etc. Give us also information about the purpose. So the purpose el propósito para el cual está diseñado el objeto que estamos describiendo. Okay, then all these follow a pattern, all right? Una estructura, una forma, una regla. Then when we are going to describe something using more than one adjective, all the time we have to place the opinion adjective first. Cuando vamos a describir algo con más de uno, dos, tres adjetivos, siempre, we have to place the opinion adjective first. Then opinion adjective, could be beautiful, yes. Beautiful, nice, intelligent, etc. All right. Then after this adjective, we have to place the factual adjective. All right. That is a pattern. So now I am going to illustrate this. I am going to give you more examples about factual and opinion adjective, and then we are going to do some exercise. Stay tuned, don't go. Okay, then as I said earlier, I am going to share with you some example of opinion adjective and factual adjective. Then as an opinion, remember that it's just adjustment that we do about the thing that we are going to describe or tell more information about it. Then we've got here beautiful, ugly, which is the opposite, intelligent, stupid, which is the opposite too. Remember, opinion adjective, lovely, encantador, kind, amable, jealous, celoso, celosa, sweet, dulce, tender, cariñoso, cariñosa, wonderful, maravilloso. All right, just these are some examples, all right, related to opinion adjective. Then as you can see here, and I said before that factual adjectives give us information about size, length, material, quality, etc., color. Then let's analyze now some example of those kind of adjectives. So adjectives that describe the size, length, and height. Adjetivos de hecho factuales que describen el tamaño, la longitud y la altura. So then we got here small, big, huge, which is enormous, tall, short, long, massive, all right? These are adjectives who describe size, length, and height. Then over here we got another group, physical quality, la cualidad física of something. Then we got thin, que es delgado, thick, grueso, smooth, suave, sharp, filoso, rough, áspero, soft is the same as smooth, suave. Okay, now I am going to give you another group of factual adjectives. Stay tuned, don't go. Okay, now as I said earlier, I'm going to share with you more factual adjectives. Okay, then look at this group, age. Los adjetivos que utilizamos para escribir la edad. Alright, we got old, new, young, joven, measure, maduro, immature, which is the opposite, teenage, adolescencia, modern, moderno, and the opposite, which is ancient. As I said before, colors are also adjectives. Then here we've got some black, white, red, orange, golden, dorado, silver, plateado. Shape. Adjectives to describe the shape, para describir la forma de algo. Square, cuadrado, round, redondo, rectangular, cylindrical, de forma cilíndrica. Right. Origin. Yeah. Some words to describe the origin of something, de donde viene, donde proviene algo o alguien también. Then, so we support ourselves on this working with the nationalities, all right? Colombian, French, sorry, English, Chinese, Japanese, etc. The material, the material of the thing that we're going describing is made of. El material también es una cualidad para dar más información acerca de algo. Then we got here plastic, wooden, which is madera, wool, lana, cotton, algodón, paper, iron, hierro. Okay? Very good. And finally we got the purpose, el propósito para el cual está hecho lo que se va a escribir. Purpose, propósito. Cooking, which is para cocinar. Cleaning, para limpiar. Washing, para lavar. Now, after this, I will show you the pattern, el orden de los adjetivos para describir algo with all these kind of adjectives. Okay, be good. Okay, so now let's analyze the pattern, the word order that we have to follow when using all these kind of adjectives. Look, first of all, we have a determiner. Determiner is the number, es el número de las cosas o personas que vamos a describir. Then we got here a, which is one, two, some, algunos, several, varios, and, which means uno. Then after we have to place the opinion adjective. Después se ubica el adjetivo de opinión. Then after the opinion adjective, we got to place the factual adjective. Debemos ubicar este tipo de adjetivos, los factuales. But this is the order. Size, el tamaño, age, la edad, shape, la forma, color, the origin, material, purpose, and finally we got the noun. Y finalmente tenemos el sustantivo, lo que vamos a escribir. Alright? Then look at this example. Bien. I have a beautiful, big, round green Italian plastic table. Right? That is not common in English. So to have all of them. Esto no es común en inglés. Tener toda esta cantidad de adjetivos. Could be three of them. But if you are going to use this kind of adjective, we have to follow this pattern. Entonces, si vamos a describir o usar este tipo de adjetivo, se debe seguir este patrón. Okay? Look at the second example. 2 old black sleeping bags. Yes? I bought 2 old black sleeping bags yesterday. Ayer compré 2 viejas bolsas para dormir negras. Alright? Then, look at this. My mother needs some small American washing machines. Washing machines. Now, see here we got the purpose. Lavadoras, máquinas para lavar. Ese es el propósito. Alright? In my class, there are several intelligent young Colombian students. Alright? Tengo muchos estudiantes de Nationality Colombia, jóvenes y muy inteligentes. And finally, Freddy got an expensive Japanese phone. Okay? Then I repeat that with all of them, that is not common in English. Con todas esas cualidades no es muy común en inglés. But remember, if you are going to use them, this is the pattern that you have to follow. Okay, my dear students, I expect that with this brief lesson, you are going to improve your English as well as the use of the adjectives to describe something. Remember to practice your English. Be good, take care, and I love you so much. Goodbye, see you next class.